Hi everyone, welcome. Today we are going to start working on some yard games. So yard games is a category of games that you usually play in a yard or a park outside. They're usually fairly simple instructions and you play against somebody. So today we're going to play an adapted version of a game called Bocce. So what you need for equipment for this game is some balls, and if you don't have balls, so I have a few different balls, different ones. If you don't have balls, what you can use is sock balls, which we've used for the last couple months at home. The big thing for what you need to be able to do is differentiate. So you need to be able to tell the difference between the two different types of balls. So if I have one set of socks, I have the black socks. So these are mine. And then the person I'm playing against, or the other team I'm playing against, is going to use these gray socks. So you need a few balls and a few sets of socks. Or a few sets of socks. You also need a palina or a target ball. So I'm going to use this different colored sock as my target ball. How the game works is you throw your target either across the room if you're playing inside, or in the yard or in the park. So I'm going to throw my target on the ground there. Now from a set starting point, so we're starting right here, me and my partner are going to take turns throwing our socks or our balls to see who can throw closest to the target. Okay? So stay tuned and we'll play a game and then I'll talk about the scoring. Alright, so we're about to start our game. We're all set up. I'm going to start by throwing the panilla or the target ball. Remember, when you're throwing the ball, you want to be taking that step with that opposite foot. Nice underhand throw. In this game, just to keep the ball with more control, you want to be doing an underhand throw, not an overhand throw today. Alright, so Steph is using black socks and I'm going to be using gray socks. I will throw first and we'll see how close I can get to the ball. Alright, your throw. Oh, nice and close. So sometimes this happens. If you hit the target with the sock, wherever it moves and it stays where it goes. Alright, my throw again here. See if I can get closer. Ooh, pretty close. Nice throw, Steph. Alright, so if the camera wants to come and just film over top here. So when we look at this, we look and we have to count score. So we count how many are the closest. We know this is the closest one. You can measure it. If you can't see with your eyes, you can use a measuring tape or a ruler. So this one's the closest, so that counts as 1 point. 1 point for Steph, so we can take that one away. Now we look which is the second closest. It looks to me like this is the second closest. It's closer than this one, it's closer than this one, it's definitely closer than this one over here. So we're going to say, yeah, Steph gets 2 points because she has two closer. Now we look for the next closest one. And the next closest one looks like it's this one, which is mine. And because it's mine and not Steph's, that means Steph gets 2 points and there's no other points scored this round. So now the score is 2 points to 0 for Steph, and we're going to play again. So now she throws the ball. Here's your black ball. Black socks. So she throws the ball wherever she wants. Okay, and she's going to throw first, so we have to start from the same spot. Oh, that's a really good one. I don't know if I can beat that. Good throw. Uh-oh. Good throw. Oh. All right, and we'll do one more score example here. So as you can see again, the closest one is Steph's, so that's 1 point for her this round. And then we look again, and it looks like this one is the second closest. So 2 points for Steph, and then it's mine. So this time Steph scored 2 points. So you added to her score before, so now the score is 4 points to 0 for Steph. And we continue playing this way until you reach a score of 11. So you play to a game to 11. You can play outside. You can try throwing this ball further or closer, depending on what kind of challenge you have. Inside, you might even try things like throwing it on a couch. That would be kind of cool. trying different things like that. All right, that's the rest of our video today. I hope everyone has a great afternoon. I'll see you later. Bye.